Right. I'm here with Ailsa Brown from the SMC Consortium at ISPOR in Berlin 2012. Ailsa, I was wondering, could you tell us exactly how the SMC managed to do their evaluations so fast?
So it's 18 weeks from the point at which we receive the submission from the company to putting the information back on our website with the decision. And I think the reason we work so quickly and we're able to work so quickly is because we use the manufacturer's information. So the sponsor company provide us with the data on the clinical and cost effectiveness of their treatment, and we appraise that. So we critically appraise it. We take the information, we look at it, we work out its strengths and weaknesses. We may ask the company for additional information, additional data, and from that, we make our decision. And I think because we are not doing the primary modelling ourselves, it allows us to expedite that process, because clearly it's very time intensive for us to do that analysis ourselves. And I think often the reason we've taken this approach is because at that early point of launch, we're making decisions very quickly after launch. We like to think we can influence practice rather than the medicine is out there and being used, and then we're having to then put a decision out later and change practice at that point. And at that very early point of launch, often the company is that they are the people who have the best information on the medicine, and for us to try and find information which is maybe not published at that point or isn't available to us would become very challenging. So that is why we use the manufacturer's information.
So do you have any concerns about the quality of assessment of the innovation, as we've just heard in the symposium?
I think we see variable quality of submissions coming to SMC. We do see some really high quality analysis, and I think companies are becoming very, very good at dealing with the uncertainty, particularly when they're dealing with an innovative product where we're not entirely sure what the benefits will be in the end. The good use of sensitivity analysis will often help a company to demonstrate the value of their product and try and give us a sense of that uncertainty and what it might mean for the cost effectiveness ratio, which at a base case level may be quite acceptable, but once we look at the eventual changes, once you take into account that uncertainty, what happens to the cost effectiveness ratio. So I think companies are becoming better at demonstrating the value of their products to us.
Thank you very much. That's lovely.